purr. Good girl. This is Natasha. Natasha is a little more comfortable with being picked up and held. Over here we have Chantilly. Chantilly still gets a little nervous at being picked up and held, but when they're tired and laying on the couch, if you slowly come over, they'll let you pet them and purr for you. They'll just need a little extra time and somebody to go slow and let them go at their own pace, but they're really nice kittens. Hey, what you got there? You took off with the toy. Come back here with that. He's got your toy. Go get that toy. Go ahead. Go get it. Oh, there you go. Go get it. It'd be great if they could go together. And they love bigger cats. And they are very playful. Up. I've come a long way since being scared at 7 weeks. They especially love their treats and snacks. Oh, there you go. Go get it. Come on, Chantilly. And throw it. And throw it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, there you go, girl. Good girl. And they're good eaters, as you can see from their dish. That's it. Say goodbye. Chantilly. Goodbye, Chantilly. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. And purr for mommy. Purr for everybody. Come on. Oh, sure. Make noise and scare the heck out of your sister. Where'd you go? Ah, there you are. There you are. Ah, that's a toy you like. Yeah. That's a toy you like, huh? Yes. Purr. Purr. And purr. Yeah. Oh, yes, you're gonna purr. What a good girl. What a good girl. What a good girl. Go get it. Go get it. Where's your sister? Where's sis? Where's sister? Where's sister? Alright, that's the end of that.